Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to take a simple exercise for beginners. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this simple 3D model in Solidworks. Today also we are going to take a simple example or exercise for beginners. So let me start with File, New, and click here Part. Okay, this is Solidworks interface. I'll keep plain background plain white. Now this is your drawing. So even we can make this sketch in one shot, but we will make in two shots so that it becomes less calculate. We will make this center cylinder and this bottom triangular face first. So this cylinder diameter, you will see radius 20 means 40 and this is 32 means 64 diameter, and this will be extrude up to thickness 60. So first we will extrude this one, but in the same sketch we will make this triangle type also. Here you will see 80 millimeter distance, and this corner radius not shown, but I'll consider 20, and this 45 millimeter distance. So these two things we will make, and here this is extrude up to 25 millimeter. Let's make this two structure first. Let's try with top plane, or even you can directly choose extruded boss base, top plane, whatever things easier for you. Let me choose circle. Let me draw two circles. Let's define one center line, a corner rectangle. Here we will make key slot. Let's define the outer radius. It's shown 64 millimeter diameter, 32 radius, and in the same way inner one 40 millimeter diameter, and here this is 5 millimeter, and distance from outer edge 24 millimeter. Now what we will do, select this point and hold shift key and this line, make relation. See, the drawing is fully defined. Even we can select here trim entities. Let me trim. Okay, let's make some relation so that this drawing will be fully defined. See, again let me try with one line, and I'll connect with this line. In the same way I'll try to connect from this point to here. Select this one and make sure it is horizontal, fillet. Now this one we will keep 20 millimeter, and I'll select these two ends. Okay, let's define these two ends. We will define 80 millimeter, and the center distance 45 millimeter. Now it's time to let's make one more distance, 40 millimeter, so that it comes in proper center. Now we need to define one important relation. Select these two horizontal. Okay, now select this point and this arc. Now we want to make tangent relation, tangent. In the same way select arc and line. Here tangent relation. See, drawing is fully defined. What we like to make here, hole we will make with the help of hole wizard command. So let's try exit. Now first we will make, in selected contour choose this face, and we will extrude up to 60 millimeter. Now look. Okay, let me unhide. I'll use the same sketch, extrude. This time I'll choose this face, and here thickness 25 millimeter. Now look. Okay. Now here you will see this inside diameter 7 millimeter, outer one 12, means 24 14, and the depth you will notice here 6 millimeter. So we will create with the help of hole wizard. Select this face, take normal position, go to hole wizard, and here select counter bore hole. Keep standard metric, and we want to keep hexagon bolt specification. Here no need to define, we will see here custom value, custom size we need to make. So this inside hole we will make 14. Here already things come 24 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and keep end condition through all. Position, just keep your cursor here, you will find a center point. Place 1, now place 2. Okay. Now if you tilt, you will see preview. Okay. Now look how the hole is created. Now let's make this outer one. Now here see the angle is 120 degree between 2, means 60 millimeter, 60 degree in from vertical line, and here we have to check diameter 40 millimeter for outer one, inner one 13 means 26, and 16 millimeter inside, and this outer radius is 75 means diameter 150 millimeter. These three things we will make first, and here we will extrude. If you calculate this one, 60 minus 6 36 24 minus 4 20 millimeter, then later we will extrude this one. So we will start from top. We will use this face, sketch normal. Let's type first center line. Okay, let me draw a circle first. Click this circle here for construction purpose. Now let me select this outer circle, convert entity, because we like to use this one. Let's define first 150 millimeter, 60 degree angle, that's it. Circle. Now here we need to define 3 circle, one bigger and 2 smaller circle. Okay. Now let's define this. Okay, inner one it's 16 millimeter, (26 millimeter) center one, and the outer one 40 millimeter. Line. If you don't find, click here directly and select these 2 lines parallel, that's it. Now select this point and this circle, coincide, that's it. Mirror entity, select this line, mirror about this line. Okay, that's simple. Now we will make only one, then later we will revolve. Extrude. Now I'll select this one and this inside circle. Inside we will keep for later. Now this thickness 20 millimeter down, and 4 millimeter we want little more, so choose offset. 4 millimeter is going upward, so again click here reverse. Now see, okay. In again we will use the same sketch, extrude, and this time we will select this inside, and here we will make 24 millimeter reverse. See, keep result merge. Now look, now this is created. Now it's time to make multiple number of patterns, so simply we will use circular pattern command. Here selected this one, just drop down the menu and select this one also. So this two body we selected, and here select any circular face. So I'll select this circular face. 3 number of patterns I like, and here keep 360-degree angle, equal spacing. Now look, it seems better. Now look, so this is how we created a simple object. Even fillet 2 millimeter. That's it. So this is how we created a simple exercise in SolidWorks. This is the good example for beginners. If we like to choose, let me select here real view, and even though we can change color, I'll choose some dark color like this, but I want little see. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor. Thanks for watching.